What's up, little ducks, and welcome back to another episode of Saturdays with Spy, where we look at where Spy's been, where it's at, and where it's going, guys. And we also take a look at what trades we could have took during the week, guys. So let's call this out, guys. First of all, this is support, guys. This is make or break for Spy, guys. The S&P 500 is in a downfall, guys. And look at this. We are looking at the 739, 740 area as support. And you can see we've been in this area once, twice, three times. And this is the fourth time, guys. Now, will they fall or will they go up? Let's take a look. Check this out. This is one of the things I do not like, guys. Look, they had trend support on the way up, guys, and they broke it. They came down. Another thing that I like to look at, guys, is how many times did they fail trying to go up, guys? And we'll just take a look at this right in here, guys. Check that out. And that has been resistance for Spy for a while now. And you can see this looks like what, guys? If you took my courses, then you know this is a wedge, guys, and they fell out of that wedge. So now the thing that makes me nervous, guys, is this. They came up and went back down to this support area, guys, and then went up again, failed, came down to the same support area, guys. And of course, they've been up here for a little while, and then now they are back in that support area, guys. You know what usually happens when they hit this area 2, 3, and 4 times, guys? That's right. We might be headed for another leg lower, guys. Now, if we do, this is the area where they're going to find support, guys. And if they don't find support there, I don't know what we're going to see, guys. Actually, I do know, and I will tell you guys once we get there. But for now, let's not worry about it. But this will take Spy, guys, another $5 down, maybe 6. Okay. Not a big deal, guys. If you look at the chart, okay, Spy has plenty of support in here, guys. And I don't think we're going to get down there. If we do get down here, guys, and I'll cover it in the next video, I'm going to buy a lot of good stuff, guys. Stuff is going to be on sale. Your favorite stocks will be on sale. Now, if you haven't seen the cool logo, guys, right there, that's right. This is Coach Ruben, aka the Swing King, guys, and this is why. Check this out. Spy is going down, guys, and a lot of people don't know how to play to the downside, but the Swing King has got you covered if you just like buying calls, guys. And look at this, okay? If you sign up for my alert service, you would have seen that ABBV was going up, guys, and we jumped into this bad boy, and we are still in it, guys. This still has a way to go, guys, and if we look at the daily, okay, let me get rid of this beautiful arrow, guys. Look at the daily, guys. They have a call signal, and they have it again here. They had it here, okay, and every time they have a call signal, guys, they go up, okay? So now I'm going to show you the dominator system, guys. Look at these bottom buys, guys. That means they have a while to go. Look at this. They're still going to continue going up. So if you want to sign up for the alert service, guys, I'm going to leave you a link below. If you want to get a good swing, even when the market is going down, you talk to the Swing King. So one other thing I want to point out with Spy, guys, is look at the dominator system, guys. If you don't have this indicator, then you don't know what you're missing, guys. Look at these sell signals up here. We had the sell signals. They double pumped it, and now they're headed down, guys. Every time we cross this white line, okay, this is for real, we start to go down. If you look at the history of Spy, they're going to dip, guys. Now, this doesn't mean this is going to be 100 points down, but it does mean that the dip is not done. Now, here we are, guys, in my favorite time frame on the 20-minute, guys, in the 20-minute box. So you can clearly see at the beginning of the week, guys, we had some pretty easy call outs right here, guys. So we had a put signal, guys, that popped out, and check this out. This was a $5.89 drop, guys. And after that, you can see we flipped over. We came to the 200 EMA, and we saw that flip, guys, with this call signal. And you can see, guys, we had $3 and about 86 cents of a lift up on SPY, guys. Okay, now here's the interesting part for the rest of the week, guys. You can clearly see that the chop was real as we go along. So let's check out the price action. So now you can clearly see that we had a horrible time, guys. Okay, after this move here, guys, $1.77, they tried to keep it short. Okay, and this is what you call the chop. Now, is it really chop, guys? No, it's not. It's called consolidation. Okay, so when they consolidate across, at some point they're either going to pop up, guys, or they're going to pop down. But I will tell you something that you need to look at when you're doing your chart, guys. You need to watch the area that is actually being used to consolidate, and I'll show it to you right in here. So this entire area, guys, okay, was used to consolidate, and they tried and tried and tried, and they could not get up there, guys. So I'm going to mark it off in red since it was resistance, and they just chopped across. So at some point you see that we got to the top, guys. You got a nice $2 move there, and then they came down almost $4, and of course they popped up. We got the call signal, guys. From the call signal, it was a $3 move, and then finally this was the final battle here between the bears and the bulls, guys, and they ended up going down an entire $5.41. They tried to come back during the day, guys, and you got to be careful with this if you're going to take contracts overnight, guys. Okay, sometimes they'll do this just to get people out of their puts. So all the put buyers, not all of them, most of them probably sold, guys, and then guess what happens the next day? Boom. They continued this entire fall, guys, and if we go and measure the entire fall, you'll see that that was about a $12.50 drop, guys. Okay, now there was some nice hope on Friday, and if you guys remember my 720 strategy, guys, that means that we got a buy signal on the 20. We went over to the 7-minute time frame, guys, and we jumped into SPY, guys, and Nvidia and a few other stocks, because we know that we're going up off the 720 strategy, guys. And this move lasted 40 minutes and it went up $5, guys. So if you jumped in here with us, guys, winner, winner, chicken dinner, you did pretty good. Now, on the 720 strategy, guys, we always pull back and then we'll have a nice little rise again in the price action. Is not as much as the first time, but they'll try again and eventually they'll go back down, guys. So this was a pretty cool move, but just remember, there is tons of volatility right now, guys. And the reason you're having the volatility is because the bears are trying to keep this down and they're winning. Okay, the bulls continue to buy, and they're going down. There's a lot of stuff going on in the chip sector, guys. And so that's what's leading this fall. There's a big sell-off. So everything they said about chip and memory, guys, is actually happening. So I'll show you the main mover, guys, on chips, which is Nvidia. And you can see that Nvidia had some sweet action at the beginning of the week, guys. I mean, they were pumping. Look at this. Okay, this is from Friday. And of course, on Monday, they fell almost $7. That's unheard of with Nvidia. And of course, they pumped it back up. And they went up about $8, guys, a little over $8. But you can see where the resistance was all week, right? So the bulls continue to try to keep the price up, even though Nvidia fell again, $5, guys. Okay, this is rare with Nvidia. I've never seen it do this. And then, of course, it came back up almost the same that it went down. And eventually they lost the battle and they came all the way down here, guys. And it took a day and a half, and they fell $12, guys. That's unheard of for Nvidia, but that tells you that the chip sector is selling off. So we look at the big picture with Nvidia, you can clearly see there is resistance here, guys. We even got a put signal on the daily. Those don't happen a lot, but there it is, and they just started with that signal. So if I come down to the dominator, guys, dominator assistant tells me we are crossing, guys. We got a crossover and we're headed down, guys. Okay, these things are for real. So we're not done. We might see a pop on Monday, but this area here, until they get across this 212, I don't think that we're going to see any bull run yet. So be very careful with your entries. Now, I will give you a little sign of hope, guys. NVIDIA on the weekly, you can see this buy signal down here, guys. So we are ready to run, but this is going to take maybe 2 days, 3 days. So be careful with your entries, because if we continue to fall, okay, that's going to be the test there, guys. Okay, this signal here takes a week or two, guys. Okay, so we're already clearly crossing over, guys, and I look at my labels here. That's a good sign, but we want to make sure we stay above 189, guys. If we don't stay above 189, okay, we will be headed towards 164. And after 164, guys, you heard it here first. Okay, 155, guys. Okay, these are the levels I'm looking at in NVIDIA. Okay, we will make it down here if we cross there, guys. There is no support in here, guys. Okay, you might have a little bit here and there, but this is clearly where they're going to try to take it. So we can do a Fibonacci and double check this, guys. So remember, when we fib, we go from the top to the bottom, which was the support, and then we go to the resistance area, guys, which is right in here. And you can see in the golden zone, guys, we might come back here again. And then if we fail, these two lines, guys, they line up perfectly with what's going on here. So maybe they stop here. Maybe they don't get to 155, guys, but this is a real thing. Be careful with NVIDIA. If you want to go long, hey, I applaud you. Just be a little bit patient, guys. Wait for the next video. In the meantime, you do have nice support in here. Check out that line, guys. Okay. I'll remove these so that we can take a really nice look at NVIDIA. So if they come to the trend support, okay, we're looking again at 194, guys. Okay. 189 is the area where we're going to have the test. 190 maybe. Okay. But if they hit this, okay, we're looking at 193, 194. And they go, guys, it's going to be a very nice run. So be patient with NVIDIA, guys. If you want to buy it and you just can't stop yourself, buy one share. Don't buy 100, okay? Be patient. It'll pay off. Remember, every weekly buy signal we've had, guys, NVIDIA takes off, and they always go up. Look at that, guys. Bottom buy signals, they go up. So be patient with NVIDIA, guys. Same thing with SPY. And remember, I'm going to leave you a link, guys, for the alert service. I'm going to leave you a link to come join me in the Discord for free. And I'll see you on the next video.